Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G71, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once the content that you wish to capture is open and visible on the screen, simply press and hold power key and volume down. As you can see, it will give you this pop-up right here that it has captured the screenshot. Now on here we have a couple toggles, which I'll do once again so you can see them for longer. We have edit, share, we have the Google Lens, delete, and scrollable option. Kind of wanted to also utilize the scrollable option. So by tapping on here, you can scroll a longer version of the screenshot, capturing way more. Obviously there was a red square there to stop it from scrolling all the way down. The settings has a all the way down option, but if you, for instance, went through Instagram, obviously it would just be scrolling down continuously for I have no idea how long. So yeah, once you have captured your scrollable screenshot, if it overshot it, if you captured too much, you can edit it out, crop it, and all the screenshots that we have overly captured, we can find them in our photos. There we go. You can see them right over here. So there is the long version, and then there is the normal one and another normal one. Now going back to the editing, as I mentioned, if you captured too much of it, you can simply select edit right here and then grab the edge, I believe. No, we first need to select crop, and then we can grab the edge and shrink it down to whatever you want. Save copy. And as you can see, we have now shorter version and the longer one. So there we go. That is how you could capture a screenshot, where you can find them, and also just a little bit of editing of the screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.